A blizzard rampaged its way across the Sierra Nevada during the first weekend in March, dropping multiple feet of snow and whipping up winds of over 100 miles per hour. That combination of wind and snow forced the closure of US 395 in Mono County and presented quite the challenge for the maintenance crews of Caltrans District 9. Our crews worked around the clock to clear snow off US 395 and other highways in the area, perform avalanche control, remove abandoned vehicles, and make Conway Summit drivable again after deep snow drifts buried all lanes of this stretch of roads south of Bridgeport. Let's take a look at how much work it took for our crews to reopen US 395. US 395 officially reopened before dawn on March 5th, a feat that was only possible thanks to the tireless efforts of our maintenance crews. For Caltrans District 9, this is Michael Lingberg, Caltrans Public Information Officer.